1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Fastback or Sports Roof here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Real deal Galaxie 500 XL, tell by the door tag 63C, and you can decode the VIN also. According to the badging on the car, 390 power, Ford V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, cruise-o-matic, I believe that'd be power steering, power brakes, AC components appear to be there, but belt's not hooked up. Technicians noted it wasn't up. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. You can also call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels, wire wheel covers, white wall radials. Paint in the car. It's got a nice shine to it. There's a few imperfections here or there. Notice there's a little bubble in the hood up here. But overall, has a nice shine. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Notice it was really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint coated J, original Ragoon red car. 85 is the trim code, red interior. You can see bucket seats, center console. Roof looks good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Bright work in the rear of the car. Chrome bumper shows its age a little bit. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Galaxies, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Vehicles are uploaded daily as far as the videos of them and their pictures. When the videos and pictures are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you can make it see us in person, you always like that. You can see up and down this driver's side also, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, imperfections here or there. Fender skirts, put those on for our pictures and videos so you get an idea what they look like. Those can be removed, obviously. Interior door panel appears that it could be easily original. And vinyl, I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything major in that either. Seat belts intact up front. Headliner looking good. Let's go ahead and fire up that V8. Pretty stock looking dash. I did notice it kind of has the radio delete plate in it. There is a radio that goes with it. You'll be able to see in the still pictures. We'll put it in the box and put in it. Box in the car. Slip around to the back seat here, this run. A little rumble coming out of that Galaxie. Let's slip up to the front. I'm gonna have to pause this a second, get the hood open, check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around video and then stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And that V8. Power steering, power brakes. Mentioned it appeared the AC components are here, but belt not hooked up. So that will need a little TLC according to badging, 390. Looks like a newer battery from this year. 2024. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Looks like a pretty smooth runner. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL Fastback or Sports Roof. You'll hear it called both. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500. This is an automatic on the center console. Red bucket seats in this car. Turn signal indicator is working. Speedometer also working. The fuel gauge reading just a little under half. And the temperature gauge reading about a third of the way up the gauge. Wipers and blower motor both functional on this car. One of those cars kind of popular for its NASCAR days. Great looking with red inside and out. The steering wheel is cocked a little bit to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. Brakes smooth. Taking a corner as you would expect for a 64 Ford Galaxie. A little luxurious mixed with a little bit of sport. Roomy, comfortable car. Seats are especially nice. I'd say maybe they were redone. Very comfortable, very good looking. Be sure to check out all the pictures for the under the hood shots and under the car shots and in the trunk and all the other details at uniqueclassiccars.com.